Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the Magento 2 modes and application initialization. So we have three type of modes, that is production mode, default mode and developer mode. These three modes we are going to learn what exactly the purpose is. So in the production mode, what exactly it does when you type production for the typing here you can set the mode like PHP pin Magento deploy mode set whether you want to set developer production or default. By default when you're trying to install the Magento, by default it is default because in that case you are not they are not going to show you the errors on the front end. That is default mode, right? When you set the mode with the developer, then it will going to show you the errors on the front end, like this has an exception, this has the issue, this file has an issue. That is for the developer. And for the production, for optimize the speed, for optimize the performance, that we will set the Magento store to be in production mode so that it will all keep the data from the cache files, right, for optimizing the performance. So let's read out what are the difference between these three. So let's take a look of that. So in the production mode, increase the performance. All necessary static files at the time of deployment. Logs exceptions, does not exceptions on the front end. Logs exceptions but does not add any kind of exceptions on the front end. So you are not able to learn or see what exactly the issue is, right? So static files from the cache only. Prevents automatic code compilations. That means whatever you have updated the file or whatever you have added a module, without again setting into the developer mode or without compiling the code, it will not going to work on it, right? So it will prevent automatic code compilation. Prevents you enabling or disabling cache types via Magento admin. It also prevents you from enabling or disabling the cache from the admin panel when you are in the production mode, right? So when you are doing the development, make sure your development environment is set, that is the developer. Okay, so here it always disables the static view files from caching instead of writing them into the pub static files. Provides verbose logging into the var report. All the logs are in var report section or exception, system log, everything is recorded. Displays enables automatic code compilation. So whenever you compile the code, it will displays the error that this file has the error, this code has the error. Displays the uncaught exceptions. You know that when you set the development mode, it will see it will show you that this file has the error, undefined index, undefined id, something like this they are displaying. Enables enhanced debugging. So debugging enhancement is done via developer mode. Shows custom X Magento HTTP request and response headers. Performance is slow, right? Because we are in a developer mode and debugging mode, right? So default mode. What is exactly the use of default mode? When you install the default mode in the Magento, or you install any kind of Magento, by default default mode is set. So in that case, errors are logged to the file of reports at the server but never shown to the user. That is the drawback. Static view files are cached, yes, and not optimized for the production environment, primarily because of the adverse performance impact of the static files being dynamically generated. Here, dynamically files are generated in the static pub static. So in that case, it's not for the production environment. So here, creating static files and caching them has a greater performance impact than generating them using the static files creation tool. So next one we have, so by default, so best part is like whenever you on the like the developing mode, you switch to the developer mode. When you are in when you are ready to go live, then move to the production, right? So when you are doing the in maintenance mode, right, a site is currently at maintenance level or something like this. So how you can set it? So you can write the command maintenance enable or disable accordingly. And for showing the mode, you can use the set this mode show. So I'm going to run this command for you. HTML Magento project app. Sorry, here I need to open the terminal. So I'm going to add sudo php in Magento mode show. So here currently my mode is developer. You can see currently my mode is developer. So I have set this mode to developer. You can set it to the production. When you're ready to go live, you can set it default if you want to set it to the default option, right? So this is the way that you can set the mode. Also here you can set the mode and type just developer, and it will set the developer mode, and it will show you that errors, logs, debugging, everything it will show, right? So this is all about the Magento's default modes that we have that is a very useful role in the optimization on debugging. So you can use that modes before doing any kind of you can do this before doing any kind of debugging. So default mode, that is developer mode, would be set while you start the development of that module, Magento module, anything. So default developer mode should be set so that can be easily for you to debug what exactly the issue is. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. If please do like, share and comment. If you have any issue in that, just let me know. Have a great day.